What's up, people? What's happening? Truck driver here. It's early morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. I was able to put the camera maybe like this down there, so I hope it will be better. If not, we will see another solution, but I'm just curious about shaking, because it stays on one something one. I will make a video for you what's happening. So let's drive. Let's drive. This guy was stay without water, so I give him the 2 bottles of water, and he's trying to repair something. I am now in, let's say, near Hockenheim, Highway 5 and 6. Actually, Hockenheim is 3 kilometers behind me, and here is cross the highways 5 and 6. In the corner is St. Leonrad. I am going to region of Nuremberg, and I have a couple of customers today and tomorrow. Then I am going to Bamberg to pick up some goods for our company. Some glass from over there. I'm just curious how it will be. It will be shaky. If not be shaky, I was made a good job. I hope it will be. I was sleep very well this night. Highway was so heavy traffic. The whole night was whole night was full of the cars and trucks. It's not normal. I didn't hear it in the truck, but when I go outside in toilet, I see. I was hurt, but inside was okay. But it is unbelievable how much traffic is here. Coffee is here. Cheers. I hope the position is good on the left and the right and everything. I will see it later. On the right side is St. Clown Rot. Famous place. For me, when I heard first time, I thought it was in France. St. Clown Rot. Something like that.
was watched yesterday a couple of videos about GoPro 10. They have some problem about overheating when they record in 4K 60 or 120 FPS. I don't know, he can only record about 15 minutes and then turn off. So I will wait a little bit to see what will happen with that device. It's a very similar to 9, only with new processor. maybe it's a little bit faster in navigation and everything, but we'll see. I think the image quality, it will be the same and everything. Stabilization is, I think there is not a chance to be better than GoPro 9 or something like that, because you cannot see anything is shaky or this guy, he had 3 navigation in front of him. It's not normal. When I was start to driving here in Germany, I was before only use 1 navigation, you know, and a lot of drivers came here with his own navigation, and then we get in the company navigation like this, and we use it to navigation, you know. I was using a couple of days and then turn off mine, and one thing, it's you get confused, you know. I was got, for example, I go navigation, and this was Sajic, that was Sajic in company, and they all the time, it's okay when you go to highway, but when you go from highway out, they show me, one says go left, one says go right, you know. So I decided to turn off my navigation. And second thing is because that navigation was from the company, you know. If something mess up, company will says okay, it was our navigation. But if I drive off my own, you know, company will says why didn't you drive with our navigation. So just make me confused. So I was choose to drive only with 1 navigation, and that's the best option. Don't use 2 navigation or something like that. Only you can use it. What can you use it? It's Google Maps to show you, you know, to show you is there something, some stops and something like that, but nothing another. Okay, dude, let's go. But nothing another. I have to stay in this line because there's a construction site in front of us. Saw the sign, this line goes in this second, but actually not. Okay. They are preparing here. They put on the side, and maybe tonight or some another night they will put it. This is a new highway now, about 30-40 kilometers, so I think the stabilization will be good here, but I have to try later also on normal streets when I go out from the highway. So how it's very bumpy street or something like that. In front of me is Zinsheim. It's there is a museum of the airplanes on the left side. On the right side is Rhein-Neckar Arena. It was before. I think now it's Pre-Zero Arena for handball. I think it is. But in front of that arena is one big parking place for trucks. You know. It's really good, it's really big with lots of toilets and everything. Fuel station is a little bit further, but you can go with first. But and this construction site here is also a long time, but nothing happened. Maybe they work under the bridge or something like that. I didn't drive down there under the bridge. Maybe, I'm not sure. It's 12 degrees now. I hope it will be a nice day. Yesterday was really nice. About 20 degrees, but perfetto for working. On the left side is also a parking place. On the right side is really big parking place. Here is inside. Here is, yeah, now is Pre-Zero Arena. Pre-Zero Arena. But I think you cannot see it because of the angle. Straight forward is Museum Zinsheim, IMAX, movie theater, museum, everything. Museum of the airplanes. drink all the coffee.
So my friends, I will cut here this video. Hope it will be a good stabilization so I can post it later. I will watch it today when I finish the job, and we will see how it will goes. If it's good position, write me in a comment down there what do you think about that. It's better than previous or something like that. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for everything. Stay safe. See you in another adventure. Bye.